What up y'all, we're back with another cinematic tutorial and today we have a beautiful burst fade. Without further ado, let's start. You want to start off by moistening up the hair and sectioning each side. Make sure both left and right are symmetrical to each other. With your preferred trimmer, create a baseline in the shape of a circle. It's important to follow the client's head shape. Now remove everything underneath. Shave down all the stubble left behind using a shaver. I suggest you do both baselines at the beginning of the cut. This way, both end up looking proportional. With your clipper now, open up the lever and create a half-inch guideline. Follow that baseline you just created. Okay, gradually open up the lever as you keep moving up throughout the guideline. As you can see, burst fades require loads of corners. You might take a bit longer, but the aftermath is definitely worth it. Use your trimmer's corners to remove any visible line from that baseline. With your 1.5 open, make a full inch guideline. Remember not to dig in and flake out just a tad at the end of every stroke. Next, with the number 2 open, move up another ½ inch. Using your half guard halfway open, create a ½ inch guideline, still using mostly corners. Use the number 1 to break the line within the dark and light area. You can play with the lever if needed or slap on a higher number like I did here if needed. Finally, just use the lever open to touch up the last visible line you're able to see. Guys, I can't stress it enough when I say detailing is probably the most important step when blending. Fit your corners in dark areas and stay patient. I did happen to see lots of uneven bulk, so I used my blending shears to smoothen it all up. While working on C-cups, be sure to use the left side of your blade on the right side of the client's head and vice versa. Alright, now reapply the same steps on the other side. In my opinion, burst fade shouldn't take too much of your time since you are skipping a big portion of the occipital area. Guys, I just want to say thank you so much for all the support you've given the channel. It truly means a lot. If you do happen to have any questions over the steps, make sure to comment or help each other out. As for the back V-line, I like to guide myself from the middle of the neck to the ears. I did reduce and blend some of the bulk because I wanted some space for a small design. Alright, now for the top portion of the hair, I went ahead and sectioned. I clip or overcomb everything that could potentially hang. Make sure the entire top portion of the head is symmetrical. I now apply hair product and prep the hair for the lineup. Preferably, I start by spraying hairspray, set in my first hit in the middle, and then work my way off to the corners. In this case, I did use hair enhancements because I didn't want to push back the hairline. Razor blade all excess hair and fuzz, and there you have it. Guys, thank you so much for sticking through. Whether you're a beginner or a professional, I really hope you can take something from this. Anyways, I'm MartyBlendz, and I'm out. Peace.